Welcome back to A Taste of K. In today's video, I'll show you how to make Haitian macaroni and cheese known as Makawoni or Gratin. The ingredients I'll be using today is 1 package of the rigatoni pasta, 12-ounce mild cheddar cheese, 12-ounce Colby Jack cheese, ham, diced onions and bell peppers, 2 tablespoons épices, butter, 3 tablespoons flour, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, paprika, parsley flake, ground cloves, and evaporated milk. In a pot with boiling water, add your salt and the package of rigatoni pasta. Follow the cooking instructions that's on the back of the package. While the pasta is cooking, I'll start to work on the cheese sauce. Add butter to a hot pot and allow it to melt before adding the onions and bell pepper. Add épices, and don't forget the video on how I make this épice is in the description box below. Add more butter before adding the diced ham. The diced ham was frozen, but don't worry, it will defrost inside the pot. A few minutes in the pot with the lid on, the ham did defrost and it is warmed up. I'll go ahead and set this mixture aside so I can work on the roux. In the same pot, add your butter and add the flour and allow the flour to cook. Add your spices like the onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, ground clove, parsley, and after add the can of milk. Before adding the cheese to this mixture, go ahead and do a taste test and make any adjustments. Add about 3/4 of the package of the cheddar cheese and half of the package of the Colby Jack. Now you can add the ham mixture. When the pasta was done cooking, I went ahead and drained and set it aside. Stir the noodle into the cheese sauce. Spray a baking dish or foil pan with cooking spray before adding the macaroni. Top the macaroni with the remaining Colby Jack cheese. Place the Haitian macaroni and cheese into a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 45 minutes. Allow the Haitian macaroni and cheese to rest for about 10 minutes before slicing. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram, tasteofk_. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.